it's Abby from Make Life Your Runway. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is a mix of makeup, grocery hauls, just little bits and pieces of my life. Today I want to share with you our Thanksgiving menu for 2 people. It's just gonna be my husband and I, and what we got from Aldi. And I don't know, let's just haul together. If this sounds like something you like to watch, then just keep watching. Here we go. All right, this is an overview of our Aldi haul. We spent $80 today. So I'm just gonna walk you through each item, what we got them for, what the plan is, and I'll also have some recipes linked down below for you guys. Hopefully this gives you inspiration for Thanksgiving. I know it's gonna be a weird Thanksgiving for everybody, so hopefully this will help you kind of sort out and process kind of what works best for you by sharing what we're gonna do. So we are just gonna be the 2 of us this week. So our plan is at the beginning of the week to make the food and then eat off of it for the rest of the week. So we have stuff for our charcuterie board, we have our ingredients, and then we have some household items as well. Whoop, whoop. Thank you, Lily. So I'll talk through our menu as we go on, and then I'll type it out down below as well, just in case it got a little confusing. So first thing up, we do want to make a little charcuterie board. So we got this Appleton Farms deli selection. There are 3 types of meat in here. So this is gonna be a nice little part of our charcuterie board. Then we got, this is goat cheese with cranberries and cinnamon. I've never had this before, but I thought that sounded so festive and nice. I love brie cheese. I think my husband could go with or without it, but I absolutely love it. So this is gonna be the basis of our charcuterie board. We already have crackers. The only thing I need to get that I didn't get today from Aldi are blueberries and grapes to add to it. But it's just for the 2 of us, so it doesn't need to be too crazy. Okay, we wanted to have some just normal lunch food for the week. So we got turkey breast, oven roasted turkey breast. We got a bag of sweet kale chopped salad. And then we got some Colby Jack cheese. We already have bread on hand, so we'll just have quick sandwiches if we decide that we want something other than Thanksgiving food or something to eat while we're cooking everything up. Okay, over here are our ingredients. So we're gonna make a turkey. So we got this little turkey for about $8 from Aldi, and it's just the perfect size for 2 people. So that's gonna be our protein for the meal. Jared wanted some cranberries, so I just picked up these Ocean Spray cranberries and sauce. I've never purchased this before, so I hope this is what he meant by cranberries, a can of cranberries. We'll find out. We might be going back to the store, but that's what I got. Pumpkins, we don't necessarily have a recipe picked out for pumpkins, but it's a good time to buy just pure pumpkin. There's nothing else in here. So I got 2 cans of it. You know, we can make maybe pumpkin and chocolate chip cookies. Obviously, you can always make a pumpkin pie, that kind of thing. And also, we make our own dog food, so this is a good thing to add to it as well. And I guess Pinterest is a fan, so we could always go to Pinterest for some inspirations. Thank you, Libby, for pointing that out to us. Okay, then we're gonna make a corn casserole. So we got a can of sweet corn and then a can of creamy corn. And I'm gluten-free. We already have a box of gluten-free cornbread. So that's gonna be one of our sides. Of course, we have to have green bean casserole. So I think we only need 4 cans for the recipe, but they're only 50 cents at Aldi, so I got 6 cans just in case we needed extra whatever we need. I didn't get the cream of mushroom soup because they don't have a gluten-free one, so I'm gonna pop into another store later in the week. Maybe I'll haul that for you guys too if you want to see it, and get a few things that we're missing from today. My husband is not gluten-free, so he wanted the French onion, or the French fried onions, the classic that you put on top of green bean casserole. So he's only gonna put it on half for him and then leave it off the other half for me, so I don't have an upset stomach all week. Thanks, Hubs. And then the final thing we're gonna make is mashed potatoes. So we just did a bag of regular potatoes that we're gonna make a big batch of mashed potatoes with. I also need to get butter. That's another thing. I think I need about 10 things from a different store, but that is everything for the recipes. Woo woo. All right, and then the rest is just groceries that I thought I would pick up that would help with baking, but just good to have. So I wanted to get, well, I needed more eggs, so I got their organic cage-free brown eggs to have on hand. Chicken, typically we shop at Costco. You guys have probably seen our Costco monthly stock-up hauls, but a lot of times they have a limit of 1 per family. So I thought I would just pick up this bag because it was only $6, and you can never have enough chicken breast in my opinion. I love their gluten-free single-size pepperoni pizza, so I got one for me to have either tonight or tomorrow night for dinner. Ranch, we used to dip ranch in everything, and we've gotten better about not doing it, but I was craving it the last couple of weeks, and I really love dipping my pizza in it. I do stick really to the serving size of ranch because it is not healthy. It's like a real treat, but I thought we'd get that on have that on hand. And also the creamy French onion salad dressing. This will be good to have with the salad, or just if we, you know, whatever, salad dressing. We just wanted some extra. I think that a sweet kale salad mix comes with dressing in it. They usually do, but my husband loves dressing, so we got extra. Okay, we got organic peanut butter. I love having just a piece of toast with peanut butter in the morning when I'm not really hungry. Just something to give me protein and fill me up. So we love that. I always like to have extra black beans on hand to throw into like a salad or anything to just add extra protein to keep me fueled for the day. We don't necessarily need chicken broth right at this moment, but it's something good to just grab a couple of every time you go to the store. We don't really have like an emergency stockpile. We have some extra stuff, but I've been watching a lot of emergency stockpile videos on YouTube, and I don't know. I find it so fascinating. So I definitely don't think it hurts to have a couple of extra things on hand, especially things that you use often. So why not just buy a couple of what we use? Here we go. We're gonna make breakfast sandwiches. So we got this Bob Evans sausage, and what we do is we cook it all up into patties, and then we can heat it up through the week. We'll just add a slice of cheese, like that Colby cheese I showed you guys. We add an egg, and then I'm gonna get some gluten-free English muffins from Whole Food. Quick, delicious breakfast. So we got most of the ingredients for that. We got some of their organic yellow corn tortilla chips, and then garlic salsa. I think I meant to grab like the black bean salsa, but here we are. I'm sure it's delicious. Clancy's wavy potato chips. I want to get some French onion dip. Nothing says holiday to me like chips and dip, especially French onion dip. Are y'all with me? Are you with me? Let me know in the comments. But thought I would pick these up. These are good. We've had them before. And then this is Jared's favorite cereal of all time, not just for Aldi, but of all time, the Cocoa Rice. So I got him a box of that. And then down here, I just got a box of LaCroix. I've never tried this coconut flavor, but I am excited to try it. I really just try like their berry and their like orange flavors. So I really hope I like this as well. But that's everything. Like I said, that's $80. This is going to be majority of what we're going to eat for actually cooking Thanksgiving, but in general, the week of Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'm going to list the recipes. Some recipes are very simple, but maybe if you're not really sure where to start, it can help you navigate Thanksgiving in 2020. Wow. Okay, we've made it, fam. I hope you are all safe and healthy, and I hope your loved ones are safe and healthy. And thank you all so much for watching. Check out my other Costco hauls and all of that. But that is all today. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!